Hello, my people. I can't stop eating these tortilla wrap sandwiches. I cannot come and suffer this addiction alone. So I said, let me share with you guys. Without much ado, let's dive in. Let me show you some. Yes, only some of my favorite tortilla wraps recipes because there are plenty. Madre mia. Here are the ingredients for the first one. If you are making these commercially, you should wear gloves. I am making this for me, myself, and I. So avoid me with that wear gloves advice, okay? I don't put my hands in strange places. I eat with my hands. In case you don't know, there are meals we eat with our hands in Nigeria. So I can never understand that wear gloves thing for food that I and my family will eat. So yummy. What name would you give this one? Number 2 is one of my favorites because of the mustard. I never knew that mustard and cucumber is a great combo. Put as much mustard as you want, slather it. See how colorful it is? Give number 2 a name, please. And the third one, because of the oats, I make this one and put in the fridge overnight. By morning, the oats would be perfectly marinated. Is that the right word? And moist. Do you have a name for this one? Do you? Yummy. And then the busiest of them all. This one is inspired by my club sandwich recipe. So I simply took out the sliced bread and replaced with the tortilla wrap. I think it's my absolute favorite one out of the 4 I shared today. But to be honest, it's hard to pin down one as my best. Yummy! Which one of them are you most likely to try? I mean, the one that contains your favorite ingredients. Bye bye. See you.